Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a short video here, an update. Just want to show you the new 2019 Nissan Leaf that we picked up a few days ago. This is the 40 kilowatt Leaf version, which has around 160 miles of range. Really digging this new car. The new Leaf will be a replacement for our 2016 Chevy Volt, which is coming to the end of its 39-month lease. We are also leasing this Leaf too. Got a great deal at the new local Nissan dealership in town. They were eager to sell their first Leaf, and ironically, we bought the car on Earth Day. In this lease, we received a $7,500 tax rebate as well as significant discounts from Nissan and a good rebate from our electric company. With a 62 kilowatt Leaf now appearing on showroom floors, it was a good opportunity to purchase the 40 kilowatt model as they are priced to move. In our situation, there was a real advantage to leasing versus buying this car. The federal tax credit was immediately available as a discount, which was a major factor in helping us lower the price of the vehicle. All in all, the final vehicle cost was in the low 20s, which is a significant discount from the $35,000 sticker price. Now, this video isn't certainly a full Leaf review, as there are already a ton of videos out there on the 2019 Nissan Leaf. Also want to mention that we do have a 10 kilowatt solar voltaic system at our home that we designed, and part of that design was accounting for an electric car. If we don't drive an electric car, then we're leaving money on the table. We received 30 to 40% tax credits when we installed solar, which the majority was DIY. So all the electricity we produce and even purchase is really at a 30 to 40% discount. Certainly, as electricity prices increase over time, the price for our electricity stays the same, and that's really a benefit when we're driving an electric car. Alright guys, we're looking forward to many years of reliable use from our Nissan Leaf. Having a blast driving this. Driving an electric car is so much fun. There's so much instant torque and just a lot of pep to these cars. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. Please be sure to subscribe and follow the channel. Have a fantastic day.